In this example, I'm going to show you how to convert fractions into decimals by dividing. One way to do that would be to find a power of 10 to convert the denominator into. But with 7, 9, and 3 in the denominator, that's very difficult to do so. So for those numbers, it's easier to actually divide using the traditional algorithm. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So in my fraction here, 3/7, 3 would be the dividend and 7 would be the divisor. So I would set up my traditional algorithm and then simply divide. So there's 0 groups of 7 that fit in 3. So I'm going to put 0 in the ones place and then subtract. So I would have 3 left over, and I'd bring down my 0, which I put in after the decimal point in order to figure out what would be after the decimal. So I'd have 0 and then some left over. Now I have 30 left over with it being split up into 7 groups, and I can do that 4 times. So 30 minus 28, because sometimes 4 equals 28, and then I bring down my next 0. So now I have 20, and 20 can be split up into 7 groups 2 times evenly. So 7 times 2 equals 14. Then I subtract, and I have 6 in my remainder. Then bring down my 0. And then 7 multiplied by 8 would be 56. So 60 can be split up into 8 groups evenly, and then 56 would be left over. I ran out of room there. My remainder would be 4. So I have 428 thousandths, and I could continue my division, but if I'm going to the hundredths place, so if I was rounding this to the hundredths place, I would round my quotient up to 43 hundredths, because the 8 is bigger than 5, so you'd round it up to 43 hundredths. And that is how you would divide fractions and turn them into decimals. Thanks for watching.